Another question is, a symmetrical cam with convex flanks operate on flat-footed floor. The lift is 8 mm, base circle radius is 25 mm, and nose circle is 12 mm. A total angle of the cam is 120 degree. That is, total angle of action of cam is 120 degree. We have to find the radius of convex flanks and draw the cam profile. Determine the maximum velocity and maximum acceleration when the cam rotates at 500 rpm. So for solution, given value of x, that is lift, is given here 8 mm. So lift is given 8 mm, and the radius of the base circle of cam is 25 mm, and R2, the radius of nose circle, is 12 mm, and total angle of cam is 120 degrees Celsius. So alpha can be calculated. Now n is given rpm 500 rpm, and we can convert into radian per second, omega 2 pi n by 60, and this becomes this much. Now first find the radius of convex flank. So radius, see the figure, radius of, let radius of convex flank is r, which is PE and P dash G. This is the radius of convex flank. This is the convex flank, this is the convex flank. So radius is PE and P dash Q. Now to find this R, find OQ. See from figure what will be the value of OQ. This OQ, and OQ will be equal to, see from figure, OQ is equal to OJ plus JK minus QK. OJ plus JK minus KQ, which will be equal to QO. So OK is this much. Now OJ is how much? OJ is radius of base cam, so it is R. And JK is the lift X, and KQ, for KQ is, this is Q is the center of the base nose circle, so it will be R2. And putting this value, we can calculate OK. OK comes to be 21 mm. Now similarly we calculate PQ. This value PQ, and PQ, from figure geometry we can see that PQ is equal to PE minus FQ, that is QF. PF minus QF, and PF is equal to PE, which is a convex flank radius. So we can write into PE, in place of PF we can write PE and minus QF, and PE is radius R, that is convex flank radius, and QF is the radius of nose circle, which is 12. So this PQ becomes R minus 12 mm. Now from the geometry, see triangle OPQ, triangle OPQ, this angle, let the beta be the angle sustained by QOP. So in triangles OQP, or you can say OPQ or OQP, same triangle, we have PQ square is equal to PQ square equals to OQ square plus OP square minus 2OP into OQ cos beta. And we know we have the all values, so putting these values, We have all values, and substituting all values, value of PQ from here, value of OQ from here, we can calculate the value of R. Substitute the value from above and calculate the R. Now, cam geometry, that is cam profile. For cam profile, first draw the base circle. This is base circle. Radius is given 25 mm. So draw the base circle. Then, in base circle, locate an angle for outer stroke, which is 60 degree of cam. EOK. This is the angle, and then again 60. Outer stroke. We given full angle up from here to here. Total angle is given 120 degree. From that, we can calculate the we can draw EOK angle 60 degree and KOG angle also 60 degree. So total angle of cam becomes 120 degree, because half angle will be 60 degree, semi angle. So half the 120 degree angle which is given, total angle of cam, and from that we can get semi angle in this two. Draw this, and then on line OK, see, one line OK, mark OQ, which we have calculated, which is on line OK, we mark OQ equal 21 mm, which we have calculated above. Now, from Q is with the center of the nose circle, so Q as center, draw radius equal to R2, that is nose circle radius, a circle, this is the circle, and this will be the base nose circle, because this is center and this will be the radius. So for center Q and radius equal to base nose circle, draw a circle, that will be nose circle. This is the nose circle. Okay, and this circle chords OK, on line OK at this circle. See, from this circle, this is the nose circle, and this nose circle and this base circle caught at J. Caught at J. Here, not K but J. Caught at J, and J, K represent the lift. This is the lift. Here, this is not K. Typing mistake is there. It is J. So, line OK, in the line OK cuts the base circle at J, and JK will be the lift, which is equal to 8 mm. So we can draw this. Also JK is 8 mm. We can find from here also, because we have already drawn this circle, nose circle, and on line OK we find the J, and OJ is the again base circle radius. So produce EO. Now produce EO and GO. Produce these two lines, and then and after producing these two lines, now Q as center, Q, this is the center, Q as center, and radius equal to PQ, this is the PQ, radius equal to PQ, which is the R minus R2, this much. Draw an arc intersecting EO. Draw arc intersecting EO at point P. Q as center, a radius equal to QP, draw an arc so that it cuts the EA produced at P, and P is the center for the this flank radius. Similarly, we can find the point P dash also. So P dash and P will be the center, and radius will be equal to PF, and which is equal to PE also, radius of the flank curve. And in this way we find the E, we find the K and G, draw a smooth curve. Draw a smooth curve. See, because we have find the center P and a radius which is equal to PE, or we can say PF. So with that radius as center P, we can draw an arc which will be tangent, which will be just this curve will be meeting to the base circle and the nose circle. Similarly, from point P dash, we draw an arc equal to radius of PG, which will meet the base circle and nose circle. So we can locate GH point also and F point also. So using a French curve, we can draw a smooth curve. This will be the smooth curve, this will be the smooth curve. And this is the final profile E, F, G, H, again E. And this is the final profile for the cam. Now we have to calculate the maximum velocity. For maximum velocity, we have to calculate the angle phi also. So from triangle OPQ, see OPQ, this is the phi angle, because it is the angle subtended between the flank start from E and ends at F. So angle subtended by this flank with its center is phi. So from this triangle OPQ, we can find that OQ by sine phi equals PQ by sine beta, and from that we can calculate the angle phi. Once we have calculated the angle phi, then maximum velocity we have the formula this, and use the all values and we can get the maximum velocity. Similarly, maximum acceleration we have the formula this, and we can calculate the maximum acceleration. And this completes the solution of that numerical. Thank you.